Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Axel, what are we doing to Cliff?
Cam swap.
Cam swap.
Second speed.
We're sponsored?
Yep.
Alright. What else did we get? We just got the cam or what?
High volume oil pump.
Sheesh.
Billet crank.
Sheesh. And we also got nitrous, but don't let nobody know.
And we got a drag pack coming.
Oh, drag pack? We got welds, right?
Yep.
Let's go. Okay, on the real note, Cliff blew up. Why did Cliff blow up?
It did not blow up.
It blew up.
If it blew up, I wouldn't have driven home.
The timing's going out, everybody. How did it sound like? Let the viewers know.
Like you're a piece of shit.
Okay, buddy. But yeah, the timing, it started clanking and rattling. So Cliff is getting surgery. He's gonna be here for about 2 months until all the parts get here. So pretty much it's a part 2 what we did to my truck a while back. Was it like maybe like a year ago or half a year ago? I don't remember.
Except we're doing it right here.
What do you mean we did mine correctly? What are you talking about?
I half-assed it.
Okay, heard you. So we'll get to you when we get to the next part of this build. All right, show the viewers that again. Dog. We found
That's what we're camming it.
Heard you. This is why you don't race a stock truck.
Stock? That's stock. This is not stock anymore.
Not anymore.
Except
we're talking about before.
Except them call outs for OTM. If y'all want me to go, call me out. $500 races. I'm not going for free though. I gotta get Big Mac meal or something. He needs a Big Mac meal if I'm taking him.
Damn. You said you need a Big Mac meal if you want to go with him.
JR, if you're watching this, come collab over here in Georgetown. We could do some shit.
Don't get ahead of yourself, man. We're gonna be at Purgatory soon. We're gonna be out there collabing with Freddie. Actually, he's gonna make a T-shirt for us and put all 3 trucks on the T-shirt. We're gonna be for donating for charity too and everything.
Make a wish.
That's you.
Spud kid.
Back to the truck. It's all cleanish, nice and shiny.
As it should be.
No gunk. Looks like it's fresh.
Oil change every 3,000 miles, but it still cannot save this.
That's
fucking. It's looser than yours.
Mine was pretty loose too, but
no, not like this.
That's crazy.
But yours didn't like.
Dude, I ran mine for 3 years like that.
But it didn't do it like mine did.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Not that loud.
Not that loud.
We'll show them a clip. I'll send you my clip and they can hear it.
Right, bet.
That's how
gotta...
Daniel sounds at night.
Okay, buddy. It's crazy. I ran my shit for like 3 years like that before I did the timing.
But no, it didn't sound like mine did.
Yeah, I know.
Hell no.
I'll see if I can find a video of mine and see if we can compare both of them. I need to go back and look for one. We'll put it in the video right now if we find anything. Sheesh. We got the other valve cover off and the balancer. How was that?
Like
Work? Let us know in the comments if we should paint these bright red just like the truck.
No.
Why not? Gotta have a
I'm a sleeper. I don't want people to know I'm racing performance type.
My fault. I guess he wants to be a sleeper, bro, guys. My fault, gang. He didn't want to paint it red, you know, give it a nice little touch. But it is what it is. But that's all for today. We're cleaning up. So we'll catch you on the next day. Moment of truth, guys. Let's see this. Damn. Zam.
Oh my god.
Heard.
It's gone right here.
The guide or?
Yes. Look. The chain's eaten up too. Oh my god.
Alright, we found the problem, guys. The guides are
That's
gone.
exactly where it's coming from.
It was mainly coming from that side too?
Yeah.
That explains everything. Alright, so we got everything off, guys. I'm gonna get ready to start painting everything. We're gonna paint the timing cover, the valve covers. Bright red, Ford red, whatever this color is called back in 2004.
I'm surprised it didn't jump. This has no tension. Look,
Right.
it has no tension. This has no tension.
Explain to the viewers what would happen if it jumped.
The valves will kiss the pistons and bye bye.
The boom. Update. What have we noticed?
We ate through the guide. If I drove this any longer, it would have been really bad.
Show the viewers the tensioner.
This is a normal one.
Normal wear. Bad wear.
It's like this. Holy shit.
The thing's angled too. That one looks more flat. That one looks. Look at that. God damn. No bueno. No bueno. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. This is why, guys, you always listen to your engine. Always. Axel heard it right away. He said, "Me park this hoe," and then stop driving it. What, you about to take off one chain?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Any wear on the chain?
You can see a little.
Mm. Mm-mm-mm.
I want to see how stretched it is compared to the new one.
Oh, yeah, the new ones. Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, it's really bad.
Didn't we first hear the sounds like a year ago when we were at that Home Depot to get that toolbox?
Yeah.
Like right when you first turned it on?
That was when we first were like, it's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen soon. When we first noticed. See, guys, we knew it was coming. We were just waiting for it to come.
Like this side, it was already digging through.
Oh, damn. All right, guys, little update. Mr. Axel got the oil pump on. Shiny, brand new. That's really it, right? For today? For today. Going back together. It should be ready. Maybe this weekend?
Yep.
We're hoping for this weekend. Let's see how we go. We'll see you on the next day. Alrighty, guys. It's all done. All listed up. Sheesh. We gonna turn it on first start? Alright. Axel already, he finished it over the weekend. I was in Dallas. What? When'd you finish it? Saturday, right?
Saturday night.
Saturday night. Yeah, I was in Dallas, so I wasn't
Well,
able
like
to.
6-7 days. You know what I'm saying? 6.
No, you got it done in a week. That's true. When'd you start?
Less than a week.
Well, less than a week. 'Cause you started what? Monday?
Monday.
Sheesh. Get at him. He'll get it done within the week.
No, it's not my truck. If it ain't my truck, it's because it's my truck. I had to get it done.
I heard you. You wouldn't do it for like somebody else? Even if they paid you?
I would do it, but I'm not going to do it in that time frame.
Yeah, so I expected like in a month. So,
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Alright. How's it sound? Since you're the owner,
Off
you
the
know.
lot type sound.
Sheesh. Brand spanking new back in 2004.
Hell yeah.
Zam. He
Like
got
1987.
sponsored with the race coils. How much horsepower is that giving you?
About like 500.
Each or just in total? Each. Damn, so you got 8 of them. What is it? What was 8 times
I don't know.
5?
Do the math.
I can't do math. I wasn't good at that. Let us know in the comments. Do the math for us. But yeah. So you drove it for what? About 3 days already? Is it doing good?
Well, we found our sound system problem.
The fuse?
It's corroded.
Oh. Tune in for next video for that. Man, now you made me want to look at mine. Man, that thing is bad. Bad.
It's alright.
Heard you. So, yeah, this is pretty much the end of the vlog. You got it done. Less than a week. Just giving y'all some explanation on what we did. Or what he did. Because, well, I was gone most of the days. Anything else? You just did timing? You didn't change anything else?
I'm just all the gaskets.
The gaskets?
Plug.
You didn't do the pumps?
All the oil pump.
Just the oil pump? None of the other ones?
Nah.
Heard you.
I had just done those.
Oh, you did?
Only the water pump.
Oh. The power steering pump though, bro.
It was fine.
Heard you. Let us know if she did get a cold air intake. AKA hot air intake.
Sponsor me. K&N.
Bro, we just make one ourselves. Get some metal pipes, bro. We got it. Make it out there right here. Boom, boom. Put it down at the bottom. Boom. Maximum airflow.
Next up, speaker rack.
Speaker rack. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. What brand? What brand?
Apocalypse.
Sheesh. Only top of the line.
We don't gatekeep here. We're gonna show you how to mount it.
Successfully, correctly. We want you to do it. It's a DIY channel. Do it yourself.
Do it at your own risk.
That too. But we make sure we do everything ourselves and make sure we do it right. If it's out of our expertise, we're going to send it somewhere. But other than that, yeah, this is the end of the vlog. We'll catch you when we make a new video on either the speaker rack or this. But we will see on the man Malone over there. Whatever comes up. So catch you on the next one.